Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn how to protect WordPress WP config file. WordPress is one of the most popular CMS and more than 35% of internet websites are built on the WordPress. Therefore, WordPress is the main target of the hackers. This doesn't mean that what percentage of hack website of WordPress are more. It doesn't mean that WordPress is insecure. Most of the WordPress security breach happens due to the user side. When user install any themes or plugin from unauthorized source or disclose his confidential file or directory listing. WordPress WP config file is one of the most important file. In this video we will learn how to secure the WP config file. A WP config file contains sensitive information like database, host name, user and password, and this information allows WordPress to communicate with database and store and retrieve data. WP config file is not comes with WordPress default installations, and blank WP config file comes with the installation. And when we install the WordPress for the first time, at that time we enter the username, password, database table, database prefix, and when we install the WordPress first time, when we fill all this data, WP config file get generated. A sample of a WP config file is like this. When we install the WordPress for the first time, at that time we give information of our username, password, which is stored here. As you can see that it is a sample WP config file, and you can see here database name, database user, database password, database localhost. So WP config file contains the very sensitive informations, and if a hacker got access of your WP config file, it can get easily access to your database, and once the hacker got the access of the database, it can see anything inside your website and change it. So security of WP config file is the most important. Now we will learn how to protect WP configuration, that is WP config file, using hat access file. WP config file is a different for server to server. If your website is hosted on NGX server, then it will be your WP config file will be ngx.conf, and if your website hosted on Apache server, then it will be wp-config.php. So we will in this video we will learn how to protect WP config file using hat access file. Let's know more about the hat access file. Hat access files directly communicate with the server and executed by the servers. It contained so many instructions, which type of task or instruction server has to execute, and which instruction was server does not have to execute. So if you want to secure your WP config file, this file which contains the sensitive information about your database and password, you have to add a piece of a code this. Okay, and how to see your WP config and PHP file. So log into your cPanel and go to the file manager, and once you go in the file manager, you will, under public HTML folder, you will see the hat access file. So we have to add this code to our hat access file. This is the sample hat access file. Okay, you have, but before adding any code to the hat access file, you have to download your hat access file. Okay, so once you download the hat access file, then change it and add this piece of code to here before end of WordPress, okay. Or you can also means code will come to the about the end of the, but this is sample hat access file. Your hat access file will look like similar to here. So first take its backup and add this code to your file which you have downloaded here and upload it here, okay. So what what will happen in this code, it will stop editing your WP config file, because we have put this code in our hat access file, and hat access file directly communicate with the hosting server. So this hat access file give instructions to the server that WP config file is locked and nobody can edit it. So when you want to edit your WP config file, again you have to go to your hat access file, download it and remove that code which we have added here, okay. So now that will lead you to your WP config file in a editable form, and once you done the editing, you can lock your WP config file. So this is the all about very short video to how to protect your WP config file using hat access. So you can, to get this code, you can visit my blog post, and I will also provide this code in the video description and link of this post in the video description. You can read my post and get much more depth information about how to protect your WP config file using hat access file. And if you like this video, then please subscribe and press the bell icon, so that whenever I update any new post, you will get the notification. So this is all about how to protect WP config file using hat access. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section of this video, and never forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.